things around us. We see many things around us like pencil, bird, books, tree, teacher, children, pen, flower, desk, chair. Everything is made up of different kinds of material. The material has different properties. Today we will learn about the properties of material. Material can be hard or soft. Material can be hard like glass, diamond, plastic, brick, wood, ice. These all are hard. And most of hard materials are difficult to break. But some like glass, wax, clay, these can break easily. Soft. A material can be soft like rubber, cotton, leather, wool, fibers. These all are soft. Some materials are soft and light. Some materials are liquids like water, jam, sauce, oil, milk. These all are liquids. A thing can be heavy or light. Heavy materials are difficult to lift or carry. They have a great weight. Light materials are easy to lift or carry. They have little weight. Metals, rocks, these are heavy, while cotton, wool, plastic, paper, these are light materials. A material can be natural or man-made. Natural materials. Natural materials are the materials that come from living things or from the ground. These are coming from plants, animals, or earth. Some materials we are getting from plants like cotton, wood. Some materials we are getting from animals like wool, leather, feathers. And some materials we are getting from ground like slate, iron, crude oil. Clear? Man-made materials. Man-made materials are the materials obtained from natural materials. Man-made materials are using natural materials as raw material. Then, after a long chemical process, then it is converted into man-made material. These man-made materials are also known as manufactured materials. They are materials that people make. People transform natural materials into manufactured materials. We make paper from wood that comes from trees. Here wood is the natural material, but a man is making paper from wood. So paper is a manufactured or man-made material. We make fabric from wool. Here wool is a natural material and the fabric which is made by wool is man-made material. We make plastic from crude oil that comes from ground. Here crude oil is the natural material and plastic which is being made is man-made material. So this is our topic.